इंतजार कर रहा है going down to चारू शर्मा.
And so to the end of semi-finals Saturday. Not the closest semi-final we've seen. Well, let's talk about the positives. It was good to see the Mumbai Heroes in the knockout round. They came, they saw. Plenty of drama, excitement, hope. But sadly, no conquering today. Let's get a quick introduction to our presentation party this evening in Hyderabad. We do have Mr. Sohail Khan, owner of the Mumbai Heroes with us. Sohail, congratulations for making it through to the knockout round. We enjoyed your presence and that of your team. We also have Mr. Ashok Kenny, owner of the Karnataka Bulldozers. Congratulations. You are once again where you always are, in the final. Mr. G.R. Vishwanath, the legend, also of course looking after the Karnataka Bulldozers team. Always wonderful to see you. Great inspiration. I'm sure you've enjoyed wonderful moments here at this ground. We also have Mr. Sudhir Hasija, chairman of Carbon Mobiles, here with us. Thank you for your support, long-term support to the tournament. And from Carbon Mobiles, we also have Murli Krishna, who will be giving the device away. And of course, I must mention from DS Max, the sponsors of Karnataka Bulldozers, Dayanand is here with us. Thank you for your support. Time for the prizes very quickly. There's three of them. First, can I please ask Murli Krishna to step forward to give the device away? For a catch that was made to look spectacular only because it was spilled to begin with. However, Varun Badola, congratulations. I hope you're here with us. Varun, here's your device. Congratulations. गिरते पड़ते किसी तरह से बहुत बढ़िया catch. Well done. वो तो हमेशा बची हुई शुरू से ही. Congratulations. Our next award is the Parley 2020 Power Player of the Day, to be given away by Mr. Ashok Kenny. So if you'll step forward to give the award. Today, many contenders. No question, there were a few big hits. And from the winning team as well as the team that didn't win today. Plenty of power players. But we will give it to the man who shows enormous spirit on the field, whether he's bowling or fielding or catching or missing a few, or of course scoring a few runs as well. So today it goes to Shabbir Ahluwalia from Mumbai Heroes. Where are you? Walking up, Shabbir, for your hustle and your bustle, our Parley 2020 Power Player of the Day. Congratulations. I know it's no consolation, but well played. And of course, for our final award, can we ask Sohail Khan to please step forward for the Man of the Match award? And we'd love to give it to a bowler or a bowler batsman, but let's give it to a true blue-blooded all-rounder for the Karnataka Bulldozers. Another magnificent day. I think he must be collecting his 29th trophy of the CCL. Pradeep from the Karnataka Bulldozers, congratulations. Well, you got to pay a price. Well done again. Well done again. And can I please request, if we have the time, for a quick chat, the two skippers, Aftab, if you'll join us, and of course, Kicha, are you here? Thank you for joining us. It's going to be a quick one, but with your permission, Sudeep, can I chat with Aftab first? Rafi, well, I suppose you guys tried hard.
Yeah, we tried, but unfortunately it wasn't good enough. But I just want to say a big thank you to the team and to the team management for supporting us and for believing in ourselves. I think the team deserves it.
You know, Sohail's not even listening. But a big thank you to the team and the team management. But Aftab, I've got to say, what incredible ambassador support.
Well, that's what we're actually known for. Thanks to Sohail Bhai. But yeah, we have good support everywhere we go. And not only our brand ambassadors, it's all the people who come and watch the game too.
I know there'll be disappointment, but is there some kind of joy as well making to the knockout round?
Yeah, I think coming from where we were after losing the first two games, then coming back and getting good run rate and coming to the last four over the likes of Chennai, Telugu, Veer Marathi, Bengali, I think it's a great achievement. And next year, I think we will make it to the finals and probably even win it.
Like the spirit. Well played. And hard luck for the day. Sudeep, well, you know, you guys are just too tough, but I know it's a result of system, of practice. I know you guys work very hard for it.
It goes without a saying, and it's one thing after 3 seasons I keep praying is for everything to come together in the same day. It can go wrong anytime, and it's been hitting us for 2 years in the first 2 seasons, so that's the only thing for me otherwise.
I think you've gone a long way from the first 2 seasons when you gave it away, but tomorrow, I know we'll talk to you again about this tomorrow, but how does it look? Everybody in good shape, looking forward to retain your title?
We look anything but in good shape, so everything is, as I tell you, the parts are there in the right places, but I think every night is only ice packing. Thanks to all the physiotherapists of all the teams, I should say. It's hard. That way, it's...
I agree. I think I suppose you go to sleep with a bag of ice in your fingers as well.
All my texting fingers are gone, so it's just calls right now. But I really want to say something that winning against Mumbai has never been a good moment for me. Because I don't know, somehow this team is too close to our hearts, and the way they have fun on the ground, and even in the last wicket when Bobby was coming, and the way these guys, they're going down, but the way they enjoy the game, I think we need to learn a lot from them. And Bobby, I think it's a lovely 2-3 balls what you played, but it's good fun. Thank you so much.
All right, Sudeep, we've got very little time left. So congratulations once again, and you echo our sentiments, because all of us love the Mumbai Heroes. Wherever they go, I think they epitomize the Celebrity Cricket League, but you guys were too good on the day. Congratulations once again. And that's it from the presentation arena.
Wonderful captain of Karnataka Bulldozers, Sudeep, the superstar. Sounding super happy with himself and his team. लेकिन कल का दिन होगा असली जंग का दिन. Kerala Strikers versus Karnataka Bulldozers, 2 champion teams will take on each other in the finals of Celebrity Cricket League 2014. And that's what's going to happen here. Hyderabad mein hone wala hai. Anjum, I'm sure we are all going to enjoy the finals tomorrow.
Absolutely. It's going to be an all-South attack, batting, bowling and all the action live and entertainment.
Absolutely. तो बस अब पार्टी का वक्त है. अगर गाना बजाना ही इश्क की खुराक है तो और गाओ और बजाओ, और जिसका मुख चंद्र देखकर आंखों में चमक जाग जाती है उसको हमारा सलाम. गुड नाइट, टेक केयर. मुलाकात होगी जल्दी. Keep watching Celebrity Cricket League.